Guatemala's beauty is incomparable and makes it a unique country in Latin America and the world. But sadly, its children are victims of one of its biggest problems: chronic malnutrition. 1 in 2 children under 5 suffer from it, putting us first place in Latin America and 6th worldwide. This irreversibly hinders our children's full physical and intellectual development. In extreme cases, malnutrition becomes acute, especially in children under 2, putting their lives at risk because of, in most cases, preventable causes. How can we fight it? The private sector, government and international aid agencies have joined forces, and a new nutritional surveillance system using SMS is being implemented in order to respond to malnutrition cases. This monitoring is critical since it will allow us to know the status of each child in real time, triggering a series of immediate actions and interventions to save lives. How does it work? Community health workers look for children in their community that have not been evaluated by health services to examine, weigh, and measure them. The information collected is sent via SMS to the operations center, where the data is processed, automatically generating a nutritional diagnosis as per WHO growth standards. Immediately, the community health worker receives an SMS with the nutritional status as well as the directions for case management following the official protocol of the Ministry of Health. How will this monitoring help? If the results show a case of acute malnutrition, the system also sends an SMS to the nearest health authorities, indicating the name and location of the child so they can support the community health worker in treating the child in the most effective way. The gathered information is stored and published on an online database where official health authorities and others can monitor the most vulnerable populations in real time. Thus, the information connects the most secluded families, community health workers, and health centers in an immediate and timely fashion, creating a protection and assistance network for the neediest children, saving the lives and future of thousands. What is expected in the future? This is only the beginning of an era in which the technological and communications revolution come together in public-private partnerships to comply with our responsibility to children and guarantee their integral protection, survival, and development.